How to add link in bio to your domain. Our link in bio tool is only available as an add-on to our domain name customers. If you don't have a domain name yet, you will first need to register one with us. In order to do this, go to domains.co.za and enter the domain name you want to register. Click the search icon. If the domain name is available, click Add to Cart. If not, use our AI domain name generator to find a suitable alternative. Click Configure. Other available domain names and TLDs will be displayed. If you want to keep your domain registration details private, you can switch domain protection on here. Then switch link in bio to on to add it to your order. Now click Proceed to Cart. Check your order summary. Any other qualifying promotions will be displayed here. You can register your domain name for more than 1 year and can adjust the cycle period. Now review your order and click Checkout. You'll need to log into your domains account at this point. If you are a new customer, create a new account. Fill in the required details and click Register if you need to create an account. Select your payment gateway and tick the checkbox. I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Click Complete Order. Once done, you'll be redirected to a payment gateway to finalize your payment. It's that easy. Domains.co.za. It all starts with the domain name.